Hi friends. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. How to fix it?
In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Linux terminal in Windows. To install a Linux terminal in Windows, first of all, we need to download CYGWIN software. For the direct download link of CYGWIN software, please check at the video description. Or go through the Google search as shown in the video. After opening the website, select the download link to download CYGWIN software. If your operating system is 64-bit, select setup x86_64.exe, else select setup x86.exe for 32-bit. If you don't know the version of your operating system is either 64-bit or 32-bit, please go through the 32-bit software. It works for both versions. After successful download, install the CYGWIN software. For the installation, follow the instructions shown on the screen. Here, you can select any one of the servers to download CYGWIN software modules and click Next. Here, you can see that CYGWIN software contains many Linux libraries. When you're familiar with these libraries, you can choose the custom library files to install. Else do not change anything. And continue your installation by selecting the next option. Please wait for the installation, it will take up to 5 minutes, based on your computer speed. To complete the installation process, select the Finish button. Using this Linux terminal, you can run any Linux command. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment your opinion about this video.